Cook boneless skinless chicken breast. It wouldn't be a surprise if boneless skinless chicken breast is the most popular cut of chicken meat in the market today. It is low in fat, so it's perfect for diet-conscious people. It is popular, so everyone will love it. Best of all, cooking it is easy and fast. The result can be very delectable and juicy if you know how to cook it properly. If not, you'll end up eating tough, stringy, and dry chicken breast. There are many ways of cooking boneless skinless chicken breast, and each of these ways will produce a different result. For now, follow the general tips listed below on how to cook this meat well. Learn the two basic cooking methods. These are the moist heat cooking and the dry heat cooking. The dry method is cooking the meat using high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Moist method is cooking the meat using low fire for a longer period, like 15 minutes or more. Cut the meat to even thickness. This way, the chicken breast pieces will be cooked evenly. Thin slices are faster to cook also. Just don't overcook these or you'll get dry meat. Cook the breast with the skin. The meat will not absorb the fat from the skin, but the distinct flavor of it can. So, it's okay to cook the chicken with the skin. Remove the skin before serving the chicken or before you eat it. Brine the chicken breast before marinating it. Brining means soaking the meat in a salt water solution. Other people also add sugar for sweeter taste. To brine the chicken, dissolve 3 tablespoons of salt in 4 cups of water. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, if desired. Put the thawed chicken breast in the mixture and refrigerate for 1 hour. Brining will ensure moist and juicy chicken meat. Marinate the meat with your chosen mixture. Among the popular ingredients used for chicken breast marinade are yogurt, vinegars, juices, broths, spices, and herbs. Brined chicken meats can easily absorb the flavor, so you only need some hours of marinating the meat. As mentioned, there are 2 basic ways of cooking chicken breast: the dry and moist methods. These methods are still divided in the following ways of cooking: baking. Preheat the oven to 425 while you spread foil or parchment paper on a baking pan. Lay about 4 chicken breasts on it and top with your chosen herbs and spices like bay leaves and lemon slices. Cook for 15 to 25 minutes. Cook longer if there are more than 4 pieces of meat. Poaching. Put the chicken breast in a skillet. Add 1 to 2 cups chicken broth or water. Bring the mixture to boil and then reduce the heat. Cover and let the meat to cook for 9 to 14 minutes. Crock-pot. Put slices of chicken breast in a crock-pot. Add half cup of chicken broth or water. Cover the crock-pot and then turn the fire to low. Cook the chicken for 5 to 6 hours. Rearrange the chicken after about 3 hours. Sauté. Coat the skillet with vegetable oil, like olive oil. Turn the heat to high and then add the thin cuts of chicken breast. Cook each side from 2 to 4 minutes. The cooking ways described here are very basic. Make your own recipe by adding your desired herbs and spices or altering some of the methods. Add more ingredients, too, like vegetables or dairies. There are many things you can do with boneless skinless chicken breast. Best of all, you can eat it without worrying about excess fat.